In this video, we're going to learn one section or part of a series of movement phrases. This is part 6 in the series. Each video will give you some movement phrase ideas that you can use in your own choreography. But it's also choreography for a dance to a song by Danny Gokey called Undertow. So anyway, let's get right to it. Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques, where my purpose and goal is to help you, the worship dancer, grow in your call to dance before the Lord. We go over lots and lots of different topics, choreography ideas, dance composition, expressive sign, prophetic dance, ministry and dance, pageantry, all kinds of things. So if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be aware of what is coming up next. Be sure to watch all the way through the end of the video, where I'll pose the question of the day and also talk about a valuable giveaway opportunity. Okay, now I'm going to teach you verse 2. We finished off here. Then it says, I can't keep your heart from breaking. So from here, your arm comes down and you're here on a diagonal, and you bring your hands in toward your heart. And then you make a motion of like the heart breaking and pouring out like that. So it goes from here, I can't keep your heart from breaking. Then, now I don't have much room here, but you'll want to run as far forward as you can. And it goes, I am here, I will hold you. So it's kind of up, up, down, down, out, out, in. I am here, I will hold you, I will love you through the aching is like this. So as you're running forward, you go, I am here, I will hold you, I will love you through the aching, and you make like an aching motion. Then, now in choreography, you don't want to stand in one place, especially if it's a solo dance. You want to use as much of the stage space as you can. Now, as I've been doing these videos, you only see me, or maybe, my granddaughter, for that one part. But imagine that there's 2 rows of wave people over here, 2 rows of wave people over here, and some parts or points in the dance, they're crossing each other. Sometimes they're surrounding the person who plays Jesus's part. Sometimes they're in partners. So, what you're seeing right now is just me demonstrating the verse 2, the part that Jesus does. But there's other things that are going on at the same time around it. So, while Jesus is doing the verse, the waves are on the sides doing that wave part that they did in the beginning. So let's continue on with verse 2. But you do want to use more of the stage space. So it goes, I believe in you and all you are. And so since this is from the point of view of Jesus talking, you want to run toward the people. So pretend like I'm running way over here, and then I'm running way over there. But you want to look at the people and try to look them in the eyes as you're running toward them and around. It goes, I believe in you and all you are. And then you quickly turn backwards and throw up your hands, I don't see. And then throw it down, I don't count. And then you turn around, I don't care how many, so that same kind of movement where you went in before, but this time your hands are like this, you're going to tear something again. I don't care how many scars, and you're like a scarred heart, and so you're pulling away at the scarred heart, scars, and then make a cross. indicating that Jesus died for you and loves you no matter where you are. So, okay, let's go through that whole second verse again. From here, I can't keep your heart from breaking. I am here. I will hold you, love you through the aching. Then you run, run, run. I believe in you. Run, run, run. And who all you are. And you turn back. I don't see. I don't count. I don't care how many scars. Okay, we're going to try verse 2 with the music. Again, just so you can get the feel, flow, and tempo of it. And then I'll try to find some music that will match the tempo that's royalty-free music. But it goes to the song Undertow by Danny Gokey. So. Yay, you made it to the end. And I mentioned about a giveaway opportunity. I'm going to be giving away the digital download version of the Modern Dance 1 DVD to 2 different people. So be sure to look in the description box below for all the information about that. Question of the day. What do you struggle with in choreography? What do you need help with? I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Please leave a comment. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you at a conference or retreat or in the online school, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.